To block websites on iPhone 16e, you have to start by opening settings, then navigate straight into screen time. Then you will have to navigate into content and privacy restrictions. Then we have to simply turn it on and we have to go into web content. So we have to search for this one. I cannot find it here, so we have to search somewhere at the top. Let's go into App Store web pages and games. Go into web content and now go to limit adult websites, and here select the website that you don't want to allow. So let's try with this one. Click done, and now let's find out if it really works. As you can see, it's working because it's just closing this specific website. So let's try one more time. No, as you can see, we can find information that this website is actually restricted.